Hello everyone. So here we have the website practical work 3. We will see examples in websites in each table. We will see also the structure of the tables, and in the end we will see the code. So first, the relation between tables. We have here those 4 tables where we find ID students related with the students table, and ID course related with the course table, the ID teacher related with the teacher table, and student is related with the course by the registration table. And here is the relations between those tables here in shows in design by the designer. So we'll try to do examples, and in the same time we should see how it works. Changes will be in the database. Here, when we want to add a course, for example, algorithms, the course name. And here we will add the course ID. Let's enter in course here in database, and we see the ID. We have 101. Let's make the course ID 2, for example. Course name is algo, and credit make it 50. Teacher ID, we must choose an existed teacher ID. Let's see here. A teacher. We will look for a teacher ID. We have 2, 1, 2, 3 teacher ID. Let's choose, for example, 1 or 2, for example. No, 1, much better. Add course added successfully. Okay, here we are. We have algorithms, teacher 1, etc. For example, mathematics, we want to edit mathematics, edit course mathematics. We want to for example, to add to mix here changes, for example, not for beginners but for prof. Edit course, update, and here matic for prof change. If we want to delete a course, for example, let's delete this one successfully, and algo is not anymore in the table. We did finish with the course, and here also course algo is not existed here. And mathematics, let's just do this. Mathematics for prof, here we observe the changes, okay, in our database. So let's try this one. This time, course students management, students ID. Let's add this one with a new ID 222. For example, let's last name Warda, for example, Warda show, and here we'll choose a date in the year, add student. Okay, and Warda is here. If we want to make changes in this Warda, for example, change its address, for example, edit, okay, and then Warda, its address, her address have been updated. If you want to delete it, we can, of course, we can. There is no Warda anymore. Quickly, we will try with the teacher management. We can't add a teacher, for example, not prof. We will limit, we will Zaki, for example, just to, and for a teacher. Okay, there is here manage last name, and here specialty a teacher. Doesn't work. Why? Because teacher management, teacher ID must be exist. For example, teacher management, for example, here let's put here the teacher ID not exist. It doesn't matter. Teacher added successfully. Yes, we should here we mustn't write a name. We should write an ID. So here we have the new teacher. We can edit the name. For example, let's make his name Farah. Edit teacher, and here is Farah. If we wanted to delete it, of course we can. And Hannah, we have teacher management, we're done with it. Registration management. The registration management contain many things. Here we should enter inscription ID. For example, we have 7. Let's choose 8. And here course ID, we must add an existed course. For example, have ID course 100 is mathematics. Let's write 100. Add registration successfully, and here is it. We can edit, for example, put it in ID 102, it's physics 102, and edit. Here we are 102. We can of course delete completely this registration, and then when we go to the relation management, which is the most important, it's about find student in course. For example, we wanted to find students in a course ID, for example, math is 101. Okay, we are agree that mathematics is 101 ID as an ID. It has students, all those students are in math. Okay, Wasila, those students enrolled in course. With which course? Math course. Teacher ID, for example, this ID is 2 for Sami Barasi. For 2 it's for Sami Barasi, I know. Let's check just to show to see with me that it's for Sami Barasi. Teacher ID Sami Barasi ID, it's his ID is 2. Okay, we all agree that 2 is for Sami Barasi, and Sami Barasi teach design and physics. Course ID 102 is for physics. Find average grade. Average grade is 6433. A grade of physics. And then here total students per course. Each course we have 101 is for math. Let's see together. Here courses 101 is for math. We have 4 students. 102 3 students is physics, and 100 chemistry is 0. Let's add, for example, chemistry. Let's add for chemistry a student, for example. Here we will add a student in chemistry in registration management. Let's do this. Chemistry, which 103. Add registration. Let's choose a date. Okay, and here, and we will let's delete a student exist. Let's when we go here in relation management, we will find that chemistry has 1 more student, and if we want to delete student in for example 102 in chemistry, in physics, students, which students, but which student? Let's see. In relation management, the students in 102, students in 102. To delete to delete student, we have those students. Let's delete Komrovavo, this one. Komrovavo relation, not in relation, in registration management, not in relation management, in 100, I think here in course management we have teacher ID, course name. Here teacher, student, in registration management. Physics, we said which one? Physics, yes, physics is 102. Let's delete a student as an inscription. Okay, when we delete it 102, okay, we will find in relation management that 102 was 3 students in there, and now they are 2. Okay, and now here we have teacher with most courses assigned. So teachers are teach a lot of courses. Is Sami Barasi, has 2 courses. Sami Barasi is here. Let's Sami Barasi, for example, teaches students, teachers. Sami Barasi teach physics and design. Let's see in course, yes, here, course, design by 2 is Sami Barasi, and physics is by ID teacher who teach physics is 2. Let's for example delete this, delete what we will delete, Sami Barasi, for example, course management. In registration management, no, in teacher management, we will delete Sami Barasi from design, for example. Is design, teacher ID, last name, specialty, no, in course, here, course description, yes, Sami Barasi teaches design and physics. Let's delete it from design and add the course ID, for example, and teacher ID, for example, 1, the teacher with ID 1, course, let's make it science description, course name here, I always forget, and course ID, let's make it course ID 100, credit 60, add course. Okay, and here we will notice that the teacher with the ID 1 will be here in the most assigned teachers. In relations, here the teacher will be teacher Alan, teacher FN. We can change the name of the teacher, of course, because it has 2 courses. So I think we have also here course ID with the average grade. We see it, we're done with it. Student ID, final total credit. For example, which student we should see? Which student we will choose? We will choose student 1, for example, Wasila, student management, course management, relations, Hadi here. See the which course? Wait a minute. Student Wasila, student ID is 1. Okay. Registration management with the student ID 1, 2 and 3. So it has credits. The credits are the credits of it's depend the courses. Let's see the credits of Wasila. 1, 2, 3. 100. The credits must be of this course and this course and this course. 101, 101 2 times, and 103. Let's see the credits of the courses. Credits 101, 101 2 times, 90 and 90, and 103, 103, 180, 183. I think. I think. Let's see, student. Course. What course registration? Registration. 103. Yes. Relation must be 103. 183 must be. Yeah, 183. Yeah, that's it. Good. And here we have the unregistered students, who are the students with no course. For example, if we give this student with the ID 1234 DE Gafi a course here in registration management, a course ID, student ID 1234. Let's give it a date, a grade, an inscription ID, let's make it 9, and course ID, let's give it a course, for example math, which is 101. Add registration D. Okay, if we go here in relation management, we won't find D. It's gone because we give it a course. He is now enrolled with a course. Course ID, student ID, which ID 1234. 1234 is the credit. It's about the credit. You can see anything about it. I think it's all about. We did everything. Let's see. So we see the structure. Let's now see the code, and we see the database, the changes in the database. And so now the code, I will see briefly the code. Here the main page, of the style. Then here is the, let's do this like this, exactly. This is the main page. It's about the main page, nothing special. Style CSS, db.php, where is the database informations. And then here we have the course PHP registration, and well, we have here the course of PHP. All the details are here. The database connection, which was requested those. Let's just make it like this. Name course. Here is the message which appear. Data pairs. The database insert into. And here we have all the details to edit the course. Add course form. Here the course form, and editing if we want to edit the course. And here is the course table, shows all the what we have. So the same with the registration form, and if you want to edit the table too. And here we have the table. Here is the relation. We will talk about it in the end. They are the same. Here is the relation. Relation are the query. We have queries here. All of this part. We have list of students enrolled specific course. List of all students enrolled the specific course as we was looking for, and then find course taught by a specific teacher, which is this specific teacher. Calculate average grade, here this one. this part. Display the total number of students per course. Here is the table, and we did the changes when we add the last time 1 in mathematics. Here is the change and stuff. Teacher with the most courses assigned means the teacher who has a lot of modules. They teach it. If we add the, yes, that's it. And here we have calculate number of credits students enrolled in, it must be here, enrolled, yes, in courses. The students enrolled in courses, that's it. And students enrolled in no course, students who have no registered for any course, means they don't enrolled in any course. This is the code for the last part. And the HTML, that's it. This is the SQL that we did put it in our database. We did put it, we don't need it here. It's just this style. And I think that we did finish with this TP. Thank you for watching.